In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an online survey with Paperform. First, log into your Paperform account and head to your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click Create a Form. The page will reload, and after that, you'll see a few different ways to begin, including using the AI generator, starting from scratch, or choosing a template. For this walkthrough, we'll go with Start from scratch so you can see the full setup process clearly. Once the blank form opens, you can begin adding your survey questions. To do that, click on any new blank line in the editor, then click the plus icon and choose Add Questions. A field will appear where you can type your question. Under the question, you also have the option to add help text, which is useful if you want to give respondents a little extra guidance or clarify what kind of answer you're looking for. On the right side, you'll notice a drop-down menu that lets you change the question type. This is where you can switch from a standard text field to other formats like email, URL, yes or no, color picker, and more. It's worth taking a moment to browse these options so you can match each question to the kind of response you want to collect. When a question is selected, the formatting panel on the right gives you more control. From there, you can change the question type, mark the question as required, place it in a 2-column layout, and turn visibility logic on or off. You can also allow multiple lines of text, add placeholder text, set minimum and maximum character lengths, and even define a default answer. These settings help you make your survey more polished and easier to complete. After your questions are in place, move on to the design. Click the Theme and Appearance button at the top of the left panel. Here you can adjust the overall form experience, such as choosing between a one-at-a-time format or the classic layout. You can also customize colors for the background, active elements, text, and warnings, along with primary and secondary fonts. Spend a little time here to make sure the form matches the style and tone you want. Next, click Configure at the top. This section lets you manage form details, payments, analytics, and overall form behavior. Then click After Submission, where you can set up emails, success pages, and redirects, paper sign, custom PDFs, as well as integrations and webhooks. When you're ready to distribute your survey, click Share at the top to access options for sharing the form, viewing results, and embedding it elsewhere. Finally, once everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner to make your survey live.